Did you know stress can actually shrink the memory center in your brain? In a new study, researchers stressed rats for 2 weeks, and it damaged their memory and brain function. But saffron changed everything. It restored brain activity, improved memory, and lowered stress hormones. Lexapro, a common antidepressant, didn't help as much, and combining it with saffron didn't boost results either. I've taken saffron for 5 years now, and it's proof that small, natural choices can build a better brain and a better life.